All right, everyone. I've had some requests to go into the owingstrading.com members area, look at the course, look at the daily forecast I upload before London session every single day, the elite members community where we discuss trade setups. So I'm going to go and show you all of that here in this video quickly. And I've got a special surprise for you guys at the end of the video. So be sure to stay tuned and check that out. All right. So you're at owingstrading.com here. And if you want to scroll down, you can, read all about who I am, where I come from, why OMA is so awesome, all this kind of good stuff. So this is where you check all this information out. And then once you actually decide that you want to try the first 7 lessons for free, you just put your name and your email here, and that'll give you access to the members area where you'll see the first 7 lessons to the course here. So this will be inside your members area that you can get absolutely free. So you just click on that, access now, and that'll take you to the portion of the course, which is lessons 1 through 7. This is just a little welcome note here. You'll read through this, and then here are the first 7 lessons of the course. So you can see this is what the course is all about. When you get through these first 5 foundational lessons, we start to move into the pro lesson of the course. So I've designed the course to sort of take you step by step by step and just build and build and build. And it's designed in a way to get you up and profitable as quickly as possible. And if you take this course and tune into the live streaming every day and really study the concepts, there's no reason you can't do what Steve is doing, which is basically killing it with OMA after just a few weeks of exposure to it and taking the course. Granted, he is kind of a superstar. He's been through the course already, several times, and he's very determined. But for those of you who are determined and can dedicate some time, it will absolutely pay off. There's no question about it. So this is where you'll see the first 7 lessons. You want to go to, Foundation 1. You click on it, and then here's your screen where you'll watch it, and you just go through all the different lessons here. This will give you, the summary of each lesson, what it's about, preparing you for the next lesson, and so on and so forth. So that's what you'll get when you sign up for the first 7 lessons for free. And then let's say you want to take advantage of the money back guarantee. You think, you know what? I like this. I think it's for me. I want to see a bit more of the course. Well, then you can go ahead and purchase the course, and that'll give you access to lessons 1 to 15 right here. You get to see a lot more. I'm not going to scroll down and show you all them. But you get the rest of Pro, basically. I'll show you the third one of Pro. You get all the rest of Pro as you scroll down there. And you have 7 days to go through all of those. And if you decide that you like the course and you don't want your money back after those 7 days, that will open up access to the full course, which is all 25 lessons here, right? And then you'll have all 25 lessons in one place here. There you can see a little bit more of Pro. And then when you scroll to the bottom here, this is where you'll get my weekly forecast videos where I go over all the major futures markets every weekend. Usually I upload that by Sunday, and then you're able to get my thoughts on where things are going for the week. And those are pretty darn accurate. Sometimes I load up PDF with it. Sometimes I don't. Just depends on how I'm feeling. Lately with COVID, I haven't, but there's still just tons and tons of good information in these videos for those of you who are taking the course and for those who want to use the information to swing trade because you don't have time to day trade. And then for the hardcore day traders or people that want to put on trades and take them off and be active throughout the day, I've just started, based on several requests that I received from members, I started uploading a daily forecast video to the members area that I upload right around 3 a.m. Eastern, right? So it's there just about when London is getting started. And, these videos are gold. Like on Friday, I talked about the fact that I thought silver was a good short, soybeans were a good short, and wheat was a good long. I mean, I'm not right every day, obviously, but with OMA, we do put the odds on our side, and the forecasts are pretty darn accurate. So you get a ton of value when you get your membership to the course. You get access to the entire course. You'll get my indicators, my charts. You can kind of, work your way up slowly before making the financial commitment. I wanted to make it that way for you guys, so you only proceed if you're really dedicated and you think that it's for you, because I am going to personally mentor each person that comes through the door while I still have time and energy to do that. And I want to make sure that I have dedicated people, right? So it's kind of a win-win. If you don't think it's for you, then go find something else that works. If you think it's for you, then I want to really give you all my time and energy, because for me, what's so fun about this is taking someone like Steve and exposing him to my methodology, which works so well, and teaching him how to use it, and then seeing him use it and be successful with it. I've got Crude Oil Trader in Canada. There are a couple others, and each person will go through the course at their own pace. But the more time you dedicate it to it, the more likely you will be to succeed with everything, all the concepts, and use it to really make your trading a lot better. I mean, I can't even describe to you how much better this is than your typical candlestick type stuff. It's going to give you an edge like you can't believe, but you got to learn to understand it and speak the language first. That's very, very important. All right. And finally, once you join the elite section of the course and you decide that you want to move forward, you'll get your access here to the OMA Elite community. This will be in your members area. You can go here, create your profile, and then you'll start participating in the elite community, where I upload my commentary throughout the day. After I'm done streaming on YouTube, this is where I'll, alert members to trades that I'm stocking. And it's a great place for us to communicate. As we get more and more members who are involved, this is where you guys will, ask me questions and share trading plans and share setups. And it's going to be a phenomenal community, unlike anything else out there that I've seen. And the focus of this community is on quality, not on quantity. So it's not going to be one of these things where, we have like hundreds and hundreds of members. I mean, probably once we get to like 50, I'll shut it down, because I want it to be tight knit. So it's going to be awesome. It already is awesome, and we're off to such a great start. So I wanted to share all that with you guys, because I have had some requests for that. And right now, what you can see on the website is I'm basically giving this away. I mean, if you guys know how much money I spent with my mentor, how much time and money and effort and everything that I spent to develop this to the point where it's at now, and the fact that I'm selling it here in the introductory phase, because we have to build a name for our brand. So I understand that. I'm pricing it super reasonably. So right now the price is $14.97. That includes the entire course, the indicators, the charts. You get a 45-minute to an hour personal mentorship session with me. After you've had a chance to settle in, we can go over your personality type, what type of trading you want to do, what markets you want to focus on. I'm going to help you implement this, because I want successful students. I want people out there talking about how legit OMA is and how much I helped you to reach, your pinnacle of your own trading. So that's why I offer the mentorship, because it's no good if you sign up for the course and then you just kind of sit there and don't know how to use it. I want you to study, and I want to help you tailor it, everything you're learning, tailor it just for you and your personality type and the way that you like to trade, whether you're day trader, swing trader, long-term investor, whatever, right? So that's why I do the mentorship. But I'm not going to be able to do that, forever, because I have time constraints. So you get the full course, 25 lessons, unlimited access. You get the weekly forecast swing trading videos. You get the daily forecast day trading videos delivered right around the London Open every day, discussing my top picks, key levels for all the major futures markets. You get access to the elite community, where I'm posting my after hours commentary with specific trade setups, exactly what I'm watching, what I'm waiting for, the levels, the direction I want to trade. I mean, there is just so much value here. It's actually kind of stupidly priced right now at $14.97. But again, I'm doing that because I want to get it off to a start and get the first round of people in to start building the brand and building the reputation. This price is going to go up to $19.97, I believe, on Tuesday morning. So I'm going to leave you with this last thing, which I think is kind of cool. And we're going to go ahead and run a Super Bowl sale, because it is Super Bowl weekend. And if you guys, those of you who've been exposed to OMA here in the beginning, and you've seen our live streams, and you've seen what OMA is capable of, and you want to get started, but it's a big commitment for you, I understand that. So until Monday night at 12 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to run a 25% off sale. You can get everything here that I just talked about, 25% off this price. So you get it for, it's about $1,100. Okay. So the code for that is 25 off at checkout. And I'm going to put the link below this video. So you just click on that link. It'll just take you to the checkout with the code already put in. And that code is going to be valid until midnight on Monday, February 12th. So if you want to participate in OMA and you want to get the lowest price I'm ever going to offer all this stuff at, then now's your chance. It's going to be valid until midnight on February 12th, which is Monday. And then after that, I'm raising the price of everything to $19.97, and I'm never ever going to price it at $11.25 again. Like literally, this is not just like, me saying that. I'm literally not going to put it that low ever again. So just wanted to make this offer to you guys. It's a good opportunity to get going if you've been waiting for a spark. Here it is, and I hope it helps you to change your life. And I'm here to help those of you who, are determined and want to succeed with your trading. All right, I will be back in the live trading room on Monday morning at 7:30 a.m. Eastern on YouTube, and I will post the weekly forecast video to the members area tomorrow for all the members. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.